It's Walter Martin back here to help you find some of the best sales and deals on used cars in your particular area. I've been going through the state of New Mexico, and today we're going to go into Carlsbad. So the first thing we need to do is go to google.com and search Craigslist Carlsbad, New Mexico. Make sure to put in the New Mexico because there's a California as well. And you'll notice the first one is roswell.craigslist.org. Notice that Roswell and Craigslist are combined to be one website, as you'll see up top here. So scroll down and go to the for sale, and then click on cars and trucks, and click on the buy owner only, and you'll quickly see why we click on the buy owner only. You can get very affordable prices in the buy owner only section that you probably are not going to find at dealerships. Here's a 1990 Ford Bronco for $2,500. Now, note that some of these vehicles that get really low in price, under $1,500 and under $1,000, are likely not going to run. Anything that's too good to be true is likely too good to be true. Read the entire ad and make certain that the vehicle is running. This one says everything's doing okay. They're looking for $2,500 or best offer. If anybody says or best offer, this means that they will likely take an offer that is lower than the suggested price. If you have $2,200 or $2,300 cash, there's a good chance that you could get this vehicle. An example of a vehicle that doesn't run is this 2002 or 2003 Taurus. They actually have two of them, and it's $1,500. So if you looked for a 2002 or a 2003 Taurus, or Stratus rather, you're probably not going to find prices this low, and the reason is the 2002 has a bad transmission and the 2003 has a bad engine. So if you're good with cars, it might be a wise choice to buy this vehicle or one of these vehicles and try to restore them. But if you're not good with cars and you're simply looking for a vehicle to get from point A to point B, you might want to look at other options. Now, here's an old GMC truck. They say it runs good, so, for $2,500, it's tough to find a GMC truck that actually runs good. I would definitely contact them and see if you can get a test drive before making any final decisions. But these are just a few ways that you can save money by using Craigslist cars and trucks. If you find this video helpful, please like it on YouTube, and please feel free to comment below if you plan to buy a used car on Craigslist.